tired already of trying to convert clients, whether it's creating content for social media, whether it is going to business meetings and being given a no? Most entrepreneurs are stuck in a similar trap if they are early stage entrepreneurs. They're posting on social media, their sales pitch isn't quite landing, and they're getting views but not sales. They're getting maybes but not yeses. On February the 19th, I'm hosting a live workshop to help you. This workshop will be showing you exactly how to turn your interest into revenue. You'll learn the sales frameworks that have generated me over 10 million in revenue, the proven social media expert strategies from a guest expert that have led to clicks, engagement, and conversion for social media and business owners. I will see you on the 25th of February. Did you know that tickets for this event at early bird pricing are just £9 for a virtual ticket and £19 for an in-person ticket, which includes networking as part of the event and all the amazing resources, templates. You'll get your website redesigned completely as part of this event. You'll also get your pitch redefined at the start of your pitch. Plus, you'll get some more amazing takeaways and learnings. When you sign up to do this event now, you will be taking the best next step forward to create the opportunity for you to make shifts in your business for 2026, because it all starts with learning from those who have done what you want to achieve in terms of results. So make sure that you sign up now while the early bird tickets are still on. If you sign up for this event, we do offer a full money back guarantee if you attend the event and you do not see the amazing transformation. But trust me and check out the review section on this page to see just some of the entrepreneurs who have experienced breakthroughs and better results thanks to either working with me or joining my live events. So I've hosted over 35 virtual events, and I've hosted a lot of events. So I'm super excited to bring a live and online experience to you for this event. So make sure that you sign up right now and get started in your business transformation.